Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. I'm going to take this PEX pipe here, cut it in half, and then join it with an elbow, okay? With a standard PEX brass, half-inch elbow, and using the crimp fittings. So let's bring it on over here closer so you can get a really good view of what I'm doing. Okay, now in the previous video I just used a shark bite fitting to put this together. And they do make elbows and stuff like that, but I'm not going to talk about the shark bites here. Now if you want to see my shark bite video, see how to use these fittings, check at the top right of your screen right now, okay? You can jump over there. Other than that, here's a traditional PEX fitting, okay? And these are called the crimp fittings. They also have the pinch fittings. No, I'm sorry. I think these are the pinch fittings. And they also have the crimp ones. Someone's going to correct me and tell me I'm an idiot. Oh well, okay? These are the ones that I use. And they go together with this wrench right here. Okay, so I'm simply going to take this pipe, this piece of PEX, okay? I know it's a small piece, but that works good for the demonstration. Just going to cut it in half. Boom, right? And we're going to put an elbow in it. So that's super easy. Now if you have a short pipe, you can do the fitting first and then the clamp. But let's assume you have a longer pipe and or it's connected to something else. So we're going to stick the clamp in first, okay? And then the fitting, okay? This side here we're just going to leave separated for the moment. Okay, go ahead and take it so you have a little bit of the PEX pipe showing. These wrenches are awesome. Now there is adjustment on them, so you need to read instructions to make sure that they are closing to the proper, the proper distance. But they basically don't let you stop short. You have to crimp them all the way before the wrench releases. Okay, so we're just going to put this little piece right there inside the jaws. I've used these crimp clamps like almost always, okay? They're great because you use the same wrench and the same end of the wrench, whether it's a ½ inch, 3/4, 1 inch, whatever. The other style ones, which look like just a solid black ring, and then you crimp them, you've got to have a much bigger wrench with multiple holes or a head that changes out. Anyway, so I really prefer this version here. Alright, once we get started, remember the wrench locks. See, so that's awesome. Okay, a little bit showing. Everything's right. Let's just finish. Okay, the wrench is going to release. And that fitting is done. Okay, so now we're going to put the other side in. Clamp on. Pipe over the fitting. A little bit showing. Okay. And voila, we're actually done. I mean, how long did that take? Okay, now with this wrench requiring you to close it all the way before it releases, of course you can, flip this here and, make it release if for some reason something went wrong. But the wrench that makes you close it all the way, this is great for the DIYer, someone who is pretty decent but not experienced. Okay, it's very hard. I'm going to repeat this. It's very hard to mess this up. Okay, to be honest, if you mess this up, call somebody, okay? Because you shouldn't be messing with it, okay, if this doesn't work out for you. But there we go. We added an elbow into the pipe. It's watertight, ready to go, ready to use immediately. Don't have to wait for anything to dry. Don't have to wait for anything to cool off. Don't have to. You just pressure test it. Just turn the water on, pressure test it, and we're done. Okay, there we go. We're all done. Thanks for joining me and learning how to assemble a PEX pipe, putting the PEX fittings in. Alright, please take this moment here, subscribe to my channel, check out my website. I got hundreds of more videos. They're organized very well there. A lot easier to find on YouTube channels. And here's some additional videos, okay, including the shark bite video. I think I'll put that up there too. But anyway, check out that video too. Thanks again.